Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how can you find the best maritime lawyers in Houston. So you need to go on Google, type in best maritime lawyers in Houston, and after that press the search button. You will be able to see these guys here, and after that you need to go on more businesses here, go on the rating tab, and I will choose 4.5 stars and up because I need guys that knows to solve my problem. So as you can see, these three guys is on the first page. You can find this one. Let me see on this address. Let's see the second. Arnold and Itkin LLAP. These guys you can find on this address here, and let's see if they are good reviews. And as you can see, these people in the comment section tell a lot of good they leave a good review about them. If you don't want to choose anyone from here, you can go on this site, Legal Match. You need to go here and enter your zip code or city, let's say Houston. And I will choose an address from here, let's say this one. And after that I will press, I will choose an option from here, let's say contested wills or probate, and after that I will press search for attorneys. Here you will need to fill some details about you, so I will not make anything for now. You will be able to complete all these details here, and that's it. Hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next episode.